Sometimes when we speak languages, we try to explore other avenues, other ways to talk, try to keep it natural. Usually it's like, hi, how are you? Fine, thank you. And you? Where are you from? So I try to move away from the standard conversation.
Yeah, actually, as you said, I joined some live stream, and I don't like very serious topic. When people ask me that, I need to think about that. Well, what should I say? But I do like talking like this, make some joke.
What do you plan on doing with your English language? Like in terms of your career, where do you want to take it?
You mean my English level?
Yeah, with your English and with your career, what's the next step for you? How do you want to improve yourself?
Is that a serious topic? We are serious now, right?
We're just interacting. We don't need to categorize things that are serious or funny. We're just talking.
Okay, for my English, I want to remember more vocabularies and get more fluently. You can see I just know some simple words, right? But I can talk to native speakers. That's talented, right?
Exactly. You got this.
But I want to know some more vocabularies, and I want to talk to a native English speaker every day. But actually, it's not so easy for me.
Now
Yeah,
that you have this level of English, where do you want to take your career next?
I still think about that. I will tell you in the future. Okay.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?